Hello and welcome, my name is Bailey Moss, and in today's video I'm going to show how to create a one-click action to simplify quote generation and delivery within Dynamics 365 and Power Apps. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is open up your Dynamics instance. I'm going to be working from the Sales Hub, the Unified Interface, but it's going to be the same for any model-driven app. Once open, you're going to navigate to Settings and then Advanced Settings. Once Advanced Settings is open, you're going to go ahead and open up the sitemap and scroll over to the right to where DocumentsCorePack or mscrm-addons product settings are. So I'm going to go ahead and open up DocumentsCorePack here. From there, we'll navigate to the One-Click Actions tab. And just to give a quick idea of what One-Click Actions are, they are predefined option sets for document generation and delivery. So yeah, first thing to do is go ahead and enable the entity for One-Click Actions. In this case, it's going to be quote, so I'll just go ahead and search quote and set it as active. From there, we'll go back to the active page, and you can see quote is now available there. To go ahead and create a one-click action, all you need to do is hit Edit One-Click Actions. And the first thing to decide, is this a single record action or a batch action? So single record, if you select or open a record, it'll be available. Batch actions will be available if you select more than one record in something such as a view. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new single record action. Alright, so once you've clicked New Single, you're going to go ahead and give it a name for the one-click action. So in this case, I'm going to do send quote as PDF, and then click OK. From there, you can give it a description. It's not a required field, but I feel it helps users to give context of what the button is triggering. So in this case, I'm going to say send create quote as PDF and send via email. Then you're going to hit next, and here's where you define the template. In this use case, I'm going to predefine a single template, although you can also allow user selection as well as use multiple templates, which is what we call a multi-part. So I'm going to go ahead and find my template here. It's going to be M2020 quote. And from there, you can also allow edit template as an option, which before the template's generated, you can allow end users to edit it. I'm going to skip that for now. The next is going to be your processing steps. So you're going to start with the file type. So what do you want it generated as? For this use case, I'm going to select PDF. Where is it being attached? If it's being attached. So I'm going to say attach document as email attachment. Next option, which I'm going to skip, is going to be open in local email client. So if you have Outlook locally installed, you can select that option if you'd prefer to use it that way. Next, you can predefine the email sender or default it as current user or owner of the record. In this case, I'm going to leave it as current user. Same thing with the recipients. You can default it. In this case, I'm going to say default as contact always, although you can change if you set it to a draft email. The next thing is going to be your email template. So this is the email content. It's built the same way as the quote template itself. It's just fulfilling the email content. So in this case, I'll go ahead and define my email content as BM quote email content to keep it simple. The next thing, you can also select send emails. You can print documents, run a workflow, action, or flow. Additionally, you can save to SharePoint, but I'm going to skip all those items for now. So now I can say set the configured settings. So do I want users to be able to change these? Do I want them to be defaulted and locked? Or do I just want to hide the settings? In this case, I'm going to hide the settings so users don't see these options. So hide configured settings. Next, you're going to set up the review settings. So once you've hit you've hit the button, this will be the final step. So you can also skip this, or you can set up review your document, create a preview, allow document edit, and automatically open the document. In this case, I'm going to leave review, create preview, and allow document edit so it can be edited before it's sent, and then save. So that's it. That's how simple it is to create a one-click action. If we go and open back up the quote one-click actions, you'll see it there. To see the button from an end user perspective, I'll go ahead and navigate back to the Sales Hub and go to quotes where I've set it up for, and open up a quick quote here. And you'll see our create document button there, which opens up available one-click actions. You'll see let me decide every step, which you can show or hide for end users. And then there's the button we just created, which is send quote as PDF. I have an additional video on the use case and this button being used. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, my contact information as well as A link to our website and free trial information can be found in the description below. If you have any questions regarding further use cases, pricing, or service setup, please don't hesitate to reach out. All right, thanks.